New cooker day. I am so happy to get another Twin Eagles teppanyaki. And guess what? I bought it. This is not an influencer deal. This is how much I like it. I'm going to show you this beautiful stainless steel. We're going to season it. You can already see little spots on the thing. When you get one, just start by cleaning it with soap and water. I've already done that. I don't need to do a video on it. So you can see where the burners are and stuff. So what we're going to do here, we got it set to 350. Okay, we're going to come around and I'm going to show you using canola oil how to season this grill. We're going to take this canola oil, the gaps in the porous metal, the non-stick. You see how much I put here. It's a lot, right? Using the nice spatula. Now you can see how the heat where the burner is, it's pushing it away. That's fine. You see a little smoke coming off there. We like that too. We're okay with smoke. That's when we know we're really breaking down the oil onto a cooker. So we're going to do this probably 3 or 4 times until it's just right. Just some normal canola oil. You can use safflower. You can use avocado. I just use canola. Okay, cooking, I use a lot of safflower and I use a lot of different ones. So there, now we have a nice coating on there. We're going to let that sit there. I'm going to give it a little more heat because I want to see some smoke. Not happy unless I see some smoke. I also got this infrared gun. 300 there, 354, 357, 335, back down to 310. So it's always nice to know where your hot spots are. This is very even, actually. Maybe a little on the edge, I know is cooler, but it's okay. I've just turned up the heat. See, we're getting some gold color where the heats are. That's what we want to see. If you do this, make sure you got some sort of protection from the heat, because when you don't do it is when you get burned. Half a bottle of canola oil. This is the 4th and final. Okay. Wipe it good. Turn the heat down. But there you go. That's pretty good seasoning. Turn the heat down. Relax. When it cools down, I'm going to wipe it a little bit. There we have a seasoned one. Listen, I hope you enjoyed this. Please check out all the recipes I have and different content at www.cookingwithbigpoppa.com, at Big Poppa Smokers, and at Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram and TikTok, Big Poppa Smokers. Adios, muchachos, muchachas. Thank you.